My name is Kayla Nabbefeld. I am a CPA. I am working at Wipfli, which is a public accounting firm, and I've been there since I graduated college. When I started at Wipfli, I didn't really know what I wanted to do, so they started us off as pooled staff, which is a pretty common conception where you get to try everything. So you get to work in audit and tax. You also get to try out a bunch of different industries, whether that's manufacturing, nonprofit, healthcare, etc. And then once you figure out where your passion is, then you get to start to focus your time in that area. So my passion was manufacturing and distribution on the audit side, so I made that decision pretty quickly in my career, and I've been working on those types of clients ever since. The type of work that I do is preparing financial statement audits for clients in the manufacturing and distribution industry. That might be an audit, a review, a compilation, or other services. We also audit their 401k plans and just do some miscellaneous consulting from fixed asset maintenance or lease accelerators, our new project for the new lease standard. So those types of things are kind of the day-to-day responsibilities. I am a mom of a 4- and a 5-year-old, and I am incredibly proud of that, but I'm also very incredibly proud of my job, and I get to do both, and I can do both. In the area that I work in for manufacturing, there's a lot of our client base within an hour radius of the Fox Valley where I work. So I enjoyed the fact that I could be home every single night to see my children and not have to worry about hopping on a plane or going across country or being gone overnight. You know, if you need to leave during the middle of the day to go on a field trip with your child, or if you have to work from home that day because your child's sick, or you want to leave early to go golfing, those things you can do in public accounting. It's not the typical 8-to-5 job anymore. I think my passion was in accounting and audit specifically because I enjoy talking to clients on a daily basis. So I found it really interesting that I could go talk to the CFO or the president of the company and ask them questions and help them with accounting problems. A lot of the clients that I've worked with when I started in 2014 are still the same clients that I work with today, but that relationship looks a lot different from when I was a staff accountant to now a senior manager. And just being able to help them with their problems, see them through their highs and lows, maybe them double their revenue over the years, or have a second location added, or persevere through COVID. All of those different things has just been really enjoyable for my job. I work hard every day as a CPA full-time, but I also am a full-time mother of 2 children, and I'm really proud that I'm able to do both, and I want to show others that you can do both and be both successfully. And so I just hope that others can see that and see my story and know that just because you're going into public accounting doesn't hinder you from doing any of those other things.